All right, if you are unfamiliar with the Eldon Match Kits, we've got 5 of them here for you today. Now, seeing them like this makes me a little bit sad knowing that someone didn't get a chance to put these together, but it makes me super happy to know that perhaps you will. Whoever our winning bidder is going to be able to take these home, put them together. I've shown you the size on these. We'll get a couple of shots for the catalog. You'll be able to put them together, do what you like with them. There are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 planes and a Patton tank. So they've got something to bomb, although I don't think the timelines quite match up, but that's okay. It's yours to do with as you choose. I'm going to show you the front, we'll show you them the back. They're called the Match Kits. Why is that? Well, because look at them. They look exactly like Match Kits. This is not a striker, that is just black. I don't want you thinking it's going to catch fire in the mail. It would have been 39 cents back in the day. I'm going to say around the 70s. You see, they do not have UPC symbols on them, so that gives you an idea. And you know what gives you a super good idea is the fact that it says 1968 right there. So I'm off by a few years, 1967, 1968. So it looks like they probably did a line of tanks first, and then they did some of these. All around, very cool. So I've given you an overview. Let's start jumping right in to each one. This is going to let you see exactly what you might not be able to see in any of the catalog photos. The catalog photos are going to be pretty straight on, pretty 2D, but this gives you a little bit more three-dimensional knowledge. So, first things first, this is still sealed, originally stapled shut there, or perhaps very craftily resealed. There's no real way of knowing, but it is my professional opinion that it does appear to be resealed, not resealed, factory sealed. That being the case, I'm not going to be able to show you what's inside, unfortunately, but you know what's inside. It is a model kit of the Fokker. Does it show you a size on these? I'm not sure exactly what the scale is on these offhand, but we will find that information out and put it in the catalog for you. Why are we not focusing? Well, there we go. Thank you. You know why we're not focusing? It's because it's triangular. It's on a wedge. So as the camera bounces off, it's having trouble focusing up here and down here at roughly the same time, the same field of view. So we're going to give you the best that we can. You can see it does have a little bit of dirt, and this one has gotten a little bit of damage to the packaging. Does that affect what's inside? No, I'm going to bring this up as close as I can so you can kind of see what's going on inside. And that's unfortunately as good as we're going to be able to see, but fortunately, it means that you'll be the first to open it and play with it. We're going to move on to the next one. This is the Spad. This is a Mark 13 from World War I. And again, these give these neat little information that you can't see because the camera keeps going out of focus. There we go. That's interesting right there. I did not notice that. This is a photo of the actual model. This is not just a markup with the plane. Not of this actual model, of course, but of one of the few thousands of these that were produced. How many are left? I don't know, but you're going to get a good shot at one of them. We're going to move on to some Sopwith Camel. You know what? This one looks like it may have been open, so I'll save that in a little bit. Make it a little bit climactic here. The Nieuport 17C is this one right here. That does not want to focus. None of these want to focus. Oh boy, what are we doing? And we got the front as well. Again, can't really show you inside all that well, although this one appears to be light pink, which explains why it's light pink right there. So does that mean that this one is camouflage colored, or do these come with water slide tampos? No, it appears to be kind of light blue, which explains that. And perhaps, yeah, I'm seeing what looks like a water slide sheet, though you may not be able to see it. So let's look at the opened one, the Sopwith Camel. There you go. This is the plane, not this one here. This is a plastic version of a similar type of item that brought down finally the Red Baron. So this one has at least had its staples removed. Has it been opened? No, it doesn't appear to have been. So here's what you're going to see, theoretically at least, inside of these ones right here that have not yet been opened. Is you'll see a sealed plastic bag with the sprues and runners appear to still be intact. It does come with an instruction sheet, although other versions manage to just put them on here and save themselves a couple of bucks here and there, but that's okay. Save a little bit of waste. Now, in addition to being, let's see what happened. So it looks like it was here. It got damaged along that corner. And the bag itself is, in fact, open. Does that affect it? I don't think it does, but I'll let you check that out to make sure. If we can get that camera to focus. Why is it not cooperating? So you can see, yes, I'm seeing the water slides right there, the little tampos. So you put some water on it, and it's just like a temporary tattoo, except it's a more permanent fix to put on your plane. And now you've seen everything there, but I do want to get one more shot for the catalog, just because it looks so nice. And finally, we'll end with the tank that I think is in a similar situation. Yes, so I'll show you the outside first. Has this ever been used, put together, displayed, built up? No, but it looks like the staples have been removed. On the one hand, that means that you don't get to do it. On the other hand, I get to show you. So here you go. Very cool coloring on that plastic. And you can see all the pieces. Again, the bag has never been opened. I imagine, based on this right here, that there must be a water slide in there somewhere. Now, do not quote me, but I would imagine it's probably in there, though we have no way of telling. Oh, no. Is that a water slide, or is it just a sticker? Yeah, but I'm seeing that star, so it is there. So, very cool piece. You have one tank, 4 planes, lots of fun, a whole weekend full of adventure and excitement. You can put these together, you can keep them as is, you can look at them, you can enjoy them, whatever it is you choose to do. You can head on over to TheBigToyAuction.com, where you can leave those pre-bids right now, or you can join us live on auction day. Whichever way you choose to do it, we'll see you at the auction.